Let's learn together.
Okay, we go to the tutorial how to use 3-point center rectangle on your sketch. Okay, first, the first click of this point establish a center of the rectangle. This okay, the second click which is the corner of the rectangle, and the third click of this click establish a width of the rectangle. 3-point center rectangle. Okay. First, this is first point, which is the center of the rectangle. This is a second point, which is a corner of rectangle. This is a third point, which is width of the rectangle.